Hey there, so I'm getting ready to do some off-roading trails, and I want to show you some of the basics that I take along with me when I'm going to hit these trails. So if you're wanting to do some off-roading but you're on a budget, obviously you have to start off with a vehicle that you can at least do some light trails or hit some off-roading parks. I have this 2020 Tacoma here. So you have some BF Goodrich KO2 tires, so some good off-roading tires of your choice is definitely recommended, if not a must. Now around back here I do have some recovery boards. Do not have a winch at this point in time. Do look forward to getting one over there, but if you see here, it's kind of wrapped up there. I do have a come along or a hand winch. No, it's not ideal, but if I do get stuck and I don't have any other way, I at least have that. To go along, I do have a winch blanket. Never hurts to have a little extra gasoline. I do need to get some more of these, but this will at least get me a little bit of gas in case I get stranded out there and run out. One of the things that I did add, you'll see that the gas can is connected to, and I have one on this side, are these poly boards here. These are great. They're metal. I can show you later how to do an install of those. These are, the particular ones I got are rough country. You can kind of see the RC there, kind of cut right in. That makes it a little bit easier, I think. See the RC there? I like them, good quality. Another thing I have here is a dune flag. I live here in Michigan, so if you do hit an off-road park or sand dunes, you have to attach a dune flag. And then inside my truck here, got a few additional things. Again, this is kind of doing some off-road trails and stuff on a budget. So I just have a little air compressor here. It's a portable one. And this one plugs right up into the, like the cigarette lighter spot there where you can charge things. So this one, it's worked for me so far pretty good. Couple other things. Tow strap, recovery strap here. Always good to have one of those. This here, maybe you saw in one of my other videos here, I did a little review on this. It's a little recovery shovel. Never know if you're going to get stuck out there. Got my recovery D-ring. Actually, I'm going to set that aside. I'm going to go put that on the back of the truck now. Just have another D-ring shackle here. Just got some tarps, tire iron, and some, here's another small strap. This is a tree saver strap in case you have to use a winch, anything around a tree. I have one of those. And then just some jumper cables. There. There we go. Looks like we're all set. And a couple more things that I almost forgot about. I do have this little foldable saw here. Did another whole video on this, but kind of just show you. And it turns into a shape similar to this. In case any small branches or anything cross the road, have that for cutting it down. Another thing here, I do have these tire deflators. These are pretty cool. You can preset them to the amount that you want to have deflated out of your tire. You just go down, remove the cap, put this on, and it'll deflate your tire to the pressure that you set it to. On this particular trip, I don't think I'm going to actually need these. I'm not going, like I said, very rough off-roading. Don't know that I'm going to need the air down, but either way, I have them here with me just in case I do. And it has a set of 4, so you can actually put them on all 4 tires, let them deflate at the same time, so you don't have to stand there and waste your time. So there you have it. Not the greatest kit for doing off-roading. Obviously, I'm not doing any rocks or super big mud holes or anything like that. Just gonna hit some off-road trails. It's a start. It's in progress. I'm gonna build and get better and better, but if you want, I recommend that you do start off with a few small things and then build from there.